to my YouTube channel. This is Ingles con Carla. In this channel, you're gonna learn how to dominate all English skills that you need for today. I don't know where you're from. If you're watching this video, maybe it's a good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, okay? If you are from Latin America or Europe or Brazilian, possibly, okay, you're completely invited to this channel, okay? My name is Carla English Coach, and you can find me in the media in Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, okay? Just for you to have an idea, this channel is pretty much to teach English, okay? As I'm an English coach again, I teach these classes on YouTube and also online, okay? I give personalized classes. And also, in this case, I try to keep it bilingual, but I created a playlist specifically for English speakers. So this is gonna help you, my friend. Possibly you might have intermediate level or advanced English level, okay? So I'm trying to teach and give these techniques for your English to improve it, yes or yes. Okay, just for you to have an idea, you can check all the playlists that I created again with all version, let's call it English version, okay? And you're gonna see much more content, just so you know. And of course, do not forget to subscribe to this channel on time so you can have notifications of my new English videos every week. And today, our topic is a very important topic. You may ask yourself, what do I need to learn now with English? The answer is gonna be, we never stop learning, correct? So in this case, I'm gonna show you how to dominate and try to, keep this rhythm with the phrasal verbs. This is phrasal verbs part 1 video, okay? And in this video, I'm gonna try to show you, I'm gonna try to keep it a little bit slow, okay, when I talk, because possibly I have intermediate learners that are watching right now, okay? So what's the phrasal verb, right? Just a reminder, the phrasal verb is gonna be the combination of a verb plus an adverb, correct? Or a preposition, as you must know. If you haven't heard of those, okay, I'm gonna explain it. And in my techniques, in my English coaching, okay, again with Carla, this is what you're gonna get. I'm gonna try to give you the name of this phrasal verb, okay, with the definition pure English. In this case, because we're not looking, to keep translations. What we're trying is to connect. And as you're an intermediate level or advanced, right, it's gonna be super easy for you to actually connect 100% with this phrasal verbs. Also, just a reminder that every time you do work with these phrasal verbs are gonna help you a lot to increase and get better in your conversations. As I imagine you're looking forward to connect, to have this relationship with possibly native people, okay? You call it British or American or some other people that they just speak pure English, correct? And the idea of the phrasal verbs, my friend, is try to sound native, like native. Try to sound, I would say, more natural, okay? And also, really important, to connect 100% for your English that is gonna be pretty much advanced when you learn, when you try to memorize. This, again, phrasal verbs are gonna help you a lot to increase in your conversations and actually to level up, yes or yes, in your English level, okay? So why don't we start right now, okay? And my recommendation is try to follow, like I said, read it with me and try to, make sure to mix all your skills. This is the idea of English, just a reminder that when you listen, you pay attention, you can repeat it after me, okay? That's when you start, practicing your speaking skills also. And really important to connect and also to pay attention. So the more you connect this phrasal verbs plus the sentences as an example are going to help your memory to try to remember all the time and understand the meaning of these phrasal verbs. That's why, my friend, it is not going to be impossible. It's going to be really, really easy for you. Little by little, okay? Remember that you can put any type of replay. You can start putting comments also, write it down also, okay? That's the best way to, be able to practice and try to memorize these phrasal verbs. You can write it in the comments, copying this type of examples, alrighty? So, are you ready? Perfect, you're ready. But this is the secret or technique that I wanna add it right now, okay? And remember, as you're an intermediate learner, this is the best technique for you to advance also in your pronunciation. What American people or British ones, they try to link all the time, put together all the words when they speak. That's how you get the rhythm to speak a little bit quicker, okay? So I'm gonna read the sentence first slow, and after that you can repeat it with me a little bit faster, so you can also practice pronunciation and of course listening skills. And I'm telling you, my friend, you are gonna rush this up, okay? And it's gonna help you a lot for your fluency. Sounds good? Okay, so why don't we start with the first one? And this is the first example, and it's gonna be get up. Get up is the meaning of get out of bed, as you know. The example, I'm gonna go slow now. It's gonna be I get up early in the mornings. Get up. Now a little bit quicker. You can say after me. I get up early in the mornings. I get up early in the mornings. Nice. The second one is going to be get across. Get across, it's a cause to be understood. The example is going to be we couldn't get our point across. Now quicker. We couldn't get our point across. We couldn't get our point across. Good job. The third one, it's gonna be get away. Get away, the meaning of this word is to have a holiday or to escape. The example is gonna be she will get away for Christmas. Get away. Now quicker. She will get away for Christmas. She will get away for Christmas. Nice. The fourth is gonna be get by. Get by is to manage to survive in spite of difficulties. And in this case, the example is gonna be how can he get by on so little money? Get by, the phrasal verb, and now we're gonna do it quicker. How can he get by on so little money? How can he get by on so little money? Good job. The other one is gonna be get down to. Get down to is get serious about a topic, to get really serious about a topic. The example, it's gonna be let's get down to business. Get down to. And let's do it quicker now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Nice. Now, the following one, it's gonna be get in. Get in, the meaning of is to arrive at a place. And in this case, can be a car, can be a train, or a plane. And the example is gonna be get in the car. A little bit quicker. Get in the car. Get in the car. Nice. The other one is gonna be get off. The meaning of get off is to leave from a bus, from a train, from a plane, or a place. And in this case, the example is gonna be he got off late from the concert. He got off late from the concert. A little bit quicker. He got off late from the concert. Nice. Get on. This phrasal verb means to start doing or continue doing an activity. The example is going to be, she needs to get on a diet. A little bit quicker. She needs to get on a diet. She needs to get on a diet. Nice. You have another one that is get out. Get out, the meaning of get out is to leave a closed, in this case, vehicle or a building. And the example could be, do you want to get out? A little bit slow. Do you want to get out? Now a little bit quick. Do you want to get out? Do you want to get out? Nice. You have another example. It's going to be get over. Get over means to recover from an illness or overcome a problem. And in this case, the example could be get over of that boyfriend. A little bit quicker. Get over of that boyfriend. Get over of that boyfriend. Another phrasal verb is get through something. It's 3 words, so it would be get through something. The meaning of this, it's going to be to succeed or finishing a task. Like you're finishing a task. And in this case, it's the example. We've got a lot to get through today. A little bit quicker. We've got a lot to get through today. We've got a lot to get through today. Nice. Perfect. You did it good, pretty good. And I'm sure that the more you practice, the better results you are going to get, my friend. So I don't know where you're from. Like I said, you can put it in the comments, okay? And if you're right now living in the US, okay, you're completely invited to have this virtual courses with me, Carla, English coach. Again, the information is, right now it's appearing in the screen, okay? If you need more information so we can contact each other on time for you to excel in English pronunciation or conversations, okay? So just so you know, again, do not forget to subscribe, click in the bell, okay? And you can get these notifications of my new videos every week. Thank you so much for being here, and you're super welcome to check this playlist that I have already for you, English speaker. I see you around.